Paano nga ba mag-DIY travel sa Lake Kawaguchiko? So first, we book tickets via Klook, 2 tickets, papunta at pabalik, Tokyo to Lake Kawaguchiko and vice versa. So we choose the Shibuya station for departure, since that is most convenient for us from our hotel, and maaga din kaming nagpa-pick up kasi matagal yung travel time, it's 2 hours. So pagdating namin sa Lake Kawaguchiko, lahat ng area makikita nyo yung Mount Fuji. But before that, before kayo mag-schedule to going to Lake Kawaguchiko, please check also the live updates sa Mount Fuji via YouTube channel. Makikita nyo yung live update kung visible ba siya or hindi. Kung gusto nyo talagang makita siya ng sobrang ganda, nakitang-kita talaga, check first. Kasi may time na hindi talaga siya nakikita kasi nga may clouds or maulan, ganun. So if you want to really see the full feature of Mount Fuji, check first the live updates. So, pagdating namin sa Kawaguchiko Station, we choose first to eat. Bumili kami ng pagkain sa Lawson and then kumain kami saglit, mga 3 minutes. Tapos bumili kami ng ticket going to the Chorito Pagoda. Chorito Pagoda is a different trip. So kailangan yung sumakay ng train. The Fuji Railway papuntang Shimoyoshida Station. Shimoyoshida Station is the nearest station going to Chorito Pagoda. So, pagoda siya, nakakapagod. Pagod na kapagod ka talaga, but worth it naman yung pagod. I recommend you will go there very early. As in, super early, guys. Kung kaya nyo mga 7 or 6 a.m., go there para mas konti yung tao at mas ma-appreciate nyo yung place. Pagbaba namin, pumunta din kami doon sa Shimoyoshida Street, Honshu Street, where you can take picture as well crossing the street. Tapos namin sa Shimoyoshida Station, dumalik kami ng Kawaguchiko Station, and then there we book a sightseeing bus online where you can explore the Lake Kawaguchiko and ride the red line, green line, blue line. So yung pinaka sikat na binubook is the red line where you can hop on and hop off the bus. So, bawat station may mga tourist spots where you can take picture with Mount Fuji background. Hindi namin siya nasulit. Sayang yung ticket namin kasi hindi namin siya nasulit. Ang napuntahan lang namin doon is of course, yung pinakasikat na Lawson Station. And next is the Uishi Park. So, yun yung napuntahan na lang namin kasi nga napagod na kami sa pagoda kakaakyat. But if you have time to explore around, to roam around, go for it. Isa sa mga pinagsisihan din namin, marami kaming hindi talaga na-explore na mga places. Go for Lake Kawaguchiko if you have time, if you have a day outside Tokyo in your itinerary. I recommend to go and explore Lake Kawaguchiko. Have a safe trip and enjoy Tokyo, Japan.